Hi guys, we are now here at Leading International Auto Service Center located at 153 Quirino Avenue, Parañaque. Tara, samahan niyo ako. At dahil nag 1 year na ang car namin, time for a check-up. At syempre, magpa-deep clean na din tayo. Alam niyo naman, mahilig kami magala with the kids. Kaya it's a must talaga sa amin to for our safety and comfort. Lalo na kapag naglo-long drive kami. Ayan, sinimulan na ni Kuya mag-inspect ng entire car. Baka meron kasing existing damage, dents, or scratches. Car wash time na, kaya pupunta muna ako dito sa shop nila. May pa-coffee at water. Ito naman si Miss Ana and explain ang mga packages na ino-offer nila. Merong premium care and maintenance, PPF, car wash and detailing, paint packages, at ang kanilang 3rd anniversary promo. We also have a product manual that features Dragon Shield, PPF, that is top tier in safeguarding your car against stains and yellowing. Habang tuloy ang deep clean, nilipot ako ni Sir Joseph para mapakita sa akin ang ongoing car wrapping, PPF, at tint protection. Premium care ang services nila dito. Ang dami pang promotion. Imagine, from 136,000 to 68,000 included na dito. Checking time. At the back, at ayan, natapos na ang deep cleaning. Grabe, fresh in and out. At dahil mahilig tayo mag-long drive, eto na tayo sa scanning and diagnostics to check kung merong problema sa ating makina or transmission. This nga pala for only 2,499 pesos. Full vehicle inspection now with oil change and filter replacement if needed. And top up all fluids pa at may bonus pa tong deep clean. Ulit ng services nila dito, no? Ang babait pa ng staffs. O siya, visit na. Bye-bye!